Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. Today I will be doing the Microsoft Excel Collegiate Challenge Round 1 walkthroughs. And yeah, those will be live walkthroughs because I cannot win anything with those rounds. So I decided to do my attempt live. But therefore it might be that there are some errors in there, so don't take my solution for granted. Okay, let's start with Junior Varsity. Yes, half an hour. Here we go. Okay, no indication of the case. Name Excelopolis. Oh god. Really? Yeah, some. So level 1, regular sum. Then max. Then sum of the two highest, so I take sum, large, and sequence 2. Yes. Even not, yeah. Then sum of the x highest, so I copy my formula from above, and instead of sequence 2 I make sequence x. Based on the given number of people, how much food is produced? Okay. Okay. It's a lot of info, but I try my best. So, minus this times 2. Then 7 level C, okay. Intern 1, 5, Turkish, 2 extra. Okay, based on given land fertility and assuming a starting population and 1 and no population growth. Why are there 5 units of food produced? I think I should go to the rules. Excel cell D4. Okay. Different cells are every unit of can cultivate 1 cell of land. Okay, makes sense. So equals large. Oh no, equals max minus 2 times the number of rounds. Yeah, makes sense. Odd, even, yes. And next one, based on the given, assuming, and the population can grow. How many units of food are produced of the first 10 turns? Population will grow by 1 unit at the end of a turn. Okay, I think I will data table this. Okay, why is this not working? Level 7. Anyways, doesn't matter, but annoying. Okay. Okay, data will grow by 1 unit at the end of a turn. Or the first turns are produced. Okay. So basically, it's I would not have. It's some sequence. No. Some large sequence, and then starting from 1. And here is sequence. Well, we can actually work with no, we can't. One equal sequence. Ref error, of course. I should fix that reference. Num error. Yeah, of course. Because we have that is interesting. Based on the given land fertility and assuming a starting population of 1 and that the population can grow. How many units of food are produced over the first 10 turns? Produced. One, two, 4. 5 units are produced. Here it is. Reading. So here, okay, I need to model this. Population, production, consumption, storage. 1. It is producing some large sequence equals population times 2. Storage equals this minus this. And yeah, plus this, but here we're starting with 1 person. 10x. 10x the current population. Min max of okay, reset number 10 equals 10 times the population. if this is larger than this, then 1, otherwise 0. Reset trigger. Reset trigger. Oh, there are also bonus questions. Reset trigger equals if this, then if this, then minus, otherwise 0. Or plus the previous trigger version. And this is then the next one, equals this plus if, no, plus this here, right. 9 production 70. Ah, bad. Snipping tool. Oh. Yeah. Hours. Yes. Seems to be hopefully right. 1 to 4, 5 produced, 2 over, 12 saved at end. Population grows by 1. Stored unit reduced to 2. Here 2 and then here 5 over, that's fine. 2 people continue produce 9 to 8, saving 5 each turn. Yeah, that's true. End of 8, units 22, allowing population 3. 2 saved, 6 over makes 8. Yeah, makes sense. Data table mimic 140, B1, B4. Okay, bonus questions. How many times the highest sum of all fruit? I have a macro for bonus level set up because this is annoying bonus level stuff. Where's the bonus level setup? Selection for bonus. Here we go. Okay. How many times does the most common land fertility value? Okay. This is, so these are the fertility values. Most, group by, because I don't have imported my lambdas. To call, count minus 2. 355 times. Which game number has the most fertile land? Maximum is 43. It's 53 as game number. What is the maximum number of plots of lowest fertile land within a game? Maximum number of twos occurring. There we use count if s 2. Maximum number is 6. I think the number is asked, right? Yeah. What is the most common answer across all games? Thankfully, my answer is included here. So group by -2. I have 2 most common answers. Either 9 or 10 are 17 times appearing. I'll stay with 9. What is the sum of all answers for all odd game numbers? Okay. Is odd is hello is odd. Here's the game number, and now sum if s. That's the answer. No, that's the answer. Might be that I've chosen the wrong column. No, it's the right one. 1704. Okay, saved. Let's upload it. No, I'm not sure if everything is right. I'm not sure. But we will see it in an instance. 81. Oh, that's bad. Hopefully, positive will be better. See you then.